YouTube, what is happening? Welcome back to another episode. So let's hop into what we got going on today. So we got a little bit of maintenance we need to do on the car. So we're gonna go to the trunk area and quick video. So this is what we got going on. So you can see my car, like I got my hand on the car here, and when I let go, it will not stay at all. So these things, these bad boys right here are worn out. So what we had to do, let me go ahead and close this real quick. Go back over here. So what we had to do, we had to cop some more trunk supports here because I can't be opening my trunk trying to grab something out of it and end up with CTE and a concussion and all that stuff. So we got these off of Amazon. I'll put the link below. So I'm gonna show you how to install these and show you how bad the other ones were worn out. So let me grab something to pop them off and stay tuned. All right, so I'm gonna try to record. I got this screwdriver here to pop the little thing off. So I had to make a makeshift little thing to hold my trunk up so I can record and do this at the same time. So what you're gonna end up doing, if you go in here, there's a little notch right in there. Take the flathead in, I'm trying to pop this thing off, and boom, that thing is out. That thing, we're done. We got that part out, and there's another one down here that I gotta pop out as well. Same concept. Might be hard to see, but it's right down there, same little notch. I'm gonna do the same thing. So let me set y'all down real quick. I'm gonna pop that part off. All right, so that was really easy, as it should be. Got the strut popped off here. So I'm gonna show y'all something real quick, how bad these worn out. So this one right here, this one is the old one, and this is the new one. So let me show y'all something, how bad this thing was worn out. So the old one, so watch how the old one here, I'm gonna push it down just with barely with my hand. That's not, you see how bad it was. So see my hand, I can do it with my finger. That wasn't supporting any weight. So my new one, ones I just bought, you see, I'm putting my whole hand, I'm pushing it, I can't push it down. So that's exactly what you want to have happen. So let me pop this one on. Should be relatively easy. So let me put this down really quick. Just set up here. So this just pop on right there. So all I did was just snap this part on, and this one I'm gonna rotate the little bottom of it here because I need it to go there, and I should just snap it on. Actually, I might have to lift the trunk up a little bit to get the line up, and then it should just snap on. So that is there. So boom, that snapped on really, really fast. That snapped on, and this thing is good. And we're done with this side. All right, so got the other side in. I didn't record it because if you can do that side, you can do this side. But if you have problems with one of the sides, you did something wrong to start with. So, moment of truth, if I fixed it. Ooh, I fixed it, Ooh, no more concussions from this thing slamming down on my head. So we fixed it in like 2 minutes. And that's how it should go. Fix stuff in 2 minutes. So we are done with this. All right, so this is gonna wrap up this video. If you got any questions about what I did on this whole process, feel free to drop a comment below. I got the link to the part that I used to repair this issue. So this is gonna wrap up this episode. Catch you on the next one. We're out. Peace.